I have been extremely fortunate to spend my life traveling the world to film and share the wonders of nature.
All life on Earth is both product and contributor to its place in space and time. From the delicate codependencies of bees and orchids, we are still only beginning to understand its interconnections. Nature once determined how we survive. Now we determine how nature survives. One of the things Darwin's work has taught us is that we break nature's connections at our peril. Yet, break them we do at ever greater speed. We are in the midst of the Earth's 6th mass extinction, as that which wiped out the dinosaurs. I've always believed that few people will protect the natural world if they don't first love and understand it.
What we do in the next few years will determine the next few thousand years.